Hi everyone, I'm just making a quick video on how to access Raw Maintenance once it's installed if you're starting to have problems. Video's not too great, I'm using my cell phone, but um, you start noticing maybe things are freezing up, there's a lot of buffering, the remote's not responding very well. So you want to come over to the Amazon side and go down to installed applications and you check it. Now you start noticing there's a whole bunch of megabytes. Typically you shouldn't have any more than, I don't know, maybe 500 megabytes of data, but it turns out that you end up with I don't know, 2 gigs, 3 gigs. You don't want to do that because you have less than 5.5 gigabytes on your Fire Stick. And once you run out of storage, it starts becoming really unresponsive. Just think about a cell phone all full of data. Well, that data actually is thumbnails, especially if you have the maintenance tool. No cache tweak. The Fire Sticks really can't handle all that, but I haven't found the better way to stop that buffering. So I had to install another tweak. Well, I mean, sorry, another program, and it's called Raw Maintenance. Generally, I'll put the Raw Maintenance thing down on the programs here, and you'll want to hit that. And you're going to take care of those thumbnails. But you have to do it in a certain order. Um, you should always clear your cache. That can build up, even though it's zero cache. Still, if you start seeing buffering, you can always come here and clear it. So you want to clear cache first. Press yes. Okay, done clearing that. Then you want to go over to all the way to the right side and do purge packages first. You want to do that before you do the one in the middle. I don't know if I can make this video any clearer though. Here we go. Okay, so anyway, purge packages. Yep. I'll say yes to that. It's done with that. Okay. Then go to the middle. The reason why you want to do left, right, then middle, which is clean cache, purge packages, and then delete thumbnails. The reason why you want to do it in that order is because after you delete thumbnails, it's going to ask you to restart. So the other two don't. I mean, you don't want to go ahead and do that first, then restart, then do the other two. So I'm going to go ahead and restart it. I don't know if it restarts on its own, but I'll just go ahead and get out of here. Exit. And then this is going to exit me back over to Amazon. Okay. Now it took me right back over to the launch application part. So you can't really tell the difference here. Like I said, I had already taken care of that. But you don't have that much space and you really have to be careful about this data. You should be doing this periodically, at least every couple of weeks. Take a look at it, make sure that you don't have any more than 2 gigabytes of data going right there because, like I said, you don't have that much room left. I'm going to go ahead and press force start. Force stop, just to make sure that it did stop. And one thing before we launch Kodi back up again, 2 things you never ever want to touch here. Obviously, uninstall and never ever touch clear data. You touch clear data, you're done. I mean, your Kodi's completely wiped out. Everything would have to be installed again, every single repository, everything. It would just be because it would be plain old Kodi with nothing on it. Don't ever clear your data. So we'll launch the application back up again. and Cody restarts, and it should be fine. Like I said, you'll notice how that it's going to be moving a little faster, and you can go back to watching your programs. But every time you click on a video and it brings up a picture, it creates a thumbnail. Every little picture that you see, it creates a thumbnail and stores it. I don't know why. I remember this happening when I had a Samsung phone. It used to do the same thing. It would just store thumbnails. I would run out of room and it would just be a nightmare. So anyway, Raw Maintenance is your maintenance tool. You should be using it every couple of weeks. Okay, it should be down in the program section there. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, just leave them below. And please like this video, and maybe I'll do some more if you have any requests. All right, thanks. Bye.